From being a runway model to a volleyball player, you're no stranger to the spotlight and teamwork. Which of these experiences has taught you the most about leadership, and how do you apply those lessons to your life today?
For me, it's the volleyball. As a volleyball player, it taught me how to be in a leadership and a teamwork. So it taught me in a different ways that I've been and what I am now, and I'm still growing. And yet, I'm not here just representing myself, but yet I'm representing the model community, the volleyball player community, and makeup artist community. And I'm here because I want to inspire all of them that you just follow your heart and follow your dreams. Because if someone said that dreams are not easy to follow, then I think I think somehow it can be achieved. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Laguna. All of us will be able to